I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to leave a like. Also, don't forget to comment down below. And y'all already know what to do. Y'all know that y'all need to subscribe to my channel for more content. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is my soft glam monochromatic spring look. I feel like this is the perfect look for springtime. I'm so excited that it's starting to get a little warmer outside, even though there was a little minor setbacks in the coming days. There's, 30 degrees, that's like, whoa. But I cannot wait for springtime, and I cannot wait to show you guys more spring looks, summery looks. Those are a challenge for me, just because I normally don't do those. I'm more of, y'all know I love fall looks. So I'm like really surprised at this, how this turned out. I really love this look. Like, my eyes are just, I can't believe it. But just to give you guys a short review on some of the products that I used. This is the Huda Beauty foundation. This is the old one, like the first launch. I really don't think that the smell was that bad. People despise the smell. But the smell was like, it smelled like skincare. Like, I really love it, and I love how like it looks like full coverage. Like, it covered up so many of my pimples, and it looks so smooth. I'm looking in my mirror and it just looks so good. Like, it sits on the skin really good, at least for me. I'm oily skin. And the color I got is nutmeg. I thought that it was a little light, but maybe it's because like the lights and stuff, and the sunlight, and then my actual lighting probably made it look that way. But nothing that bronzer can't fix. Y'all already know I love this palette, the Amrezy palette. This palette is on sale, guys. I don't know if it's still at Ulta, but I got this at Ulta for on sale. And this palette, you guys, you can do so many looks with this palette. Like, Amrezy, she just did a good job on this palette. Like, I love it. It's like spring colors in here, and there's fall colors in here, neutral, like the perfect amount of colors. It's just a great palette. Like, I'm eyeing this blue. I'm trying to use this blue, but I need to come up with the perfect look to show you guys. I cannot wait to use that color. It just looks so good. I tried to like refrain myself from using the blue color in this video, but I just can't wait. And then another color that calls my name is Reezy. That's another color that calls my name. And Liddy is right here. And Barb is so pretty. So I enjoy this palette. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I always get them on sale. Don't play with me. I always get the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes on sale, and especially when it's like YouTube collaborators. I also got the Jackie Aina palette on sale, but it wasn't because I didn't want to pay full price or anything like that. It's just priorities come first. You gotta pay your bills. And I was just like, let me just get it now that I got a little bit of extra coins. You guys seen me use this. This is a Nicole Guerrero glow kit. I've had this glow kit for a while. You guys can get this palette. I'm pretty sure you can on the website of Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it's a really nice highlighter palette. I wanted to get another one. Well, actually I did get another one, and then it broke as it like was shipped to me. I don't understand how these people, not Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I don't understand how like UPS and USP, whatever, the postal services just plump your packages in front of your doorstep as if like everything's all good. No. I was upset, but I had to return that one, so I just kept my same old one. I'll probably buy another one in the summertime, just because I'm a hoarder, and even though I'm not done with this one, I like to collect Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup. But as you guys can see from the video, I used Kitty Cat and I used Forever Young. Those are the two colors that I used, and those are on my cheek right now. Those colors look beautiful on my cheek, and I'm just really happy about this look. So happy about this look. Look how, I just feel like I look like a springtime doll. So if you guys really enjoyed this video and you guys love this monochromatic soft glam look, leave a like, also comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys can see more content from me. Actually guys, I want some help, you know, I want some help on what my like intro should be. Like intro meaning like, you know, I normally say hey guys, but I want to do something different, unless you guys like the hey guys. But anyway, I'm rambling on. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for the new subscribers that are here. I'm just so happy you guys are here. So you guys are now my weird friend. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.